Hi everyone, welcome back to our Puppet Vendors guides. So in this video, I will be showing you how to update or set your invoice settings. From your merchant portal dashboard, you will be going to settings, and under documents, we will be choosing invoices. This new page will appear, which includes all of your settings. And on this part of the page, this will show us how the changes would look like. The first option we have is to allow your vendors to generate invoices. Once you allow them to, this request permission to auto-generate invoices option will appear. You also have the option to show a pop-up when your vendor logs in, and you can also customize the pop-up message here. Next, we have the option to allow vendors to generate customer invoices, followed by the field to customize the customer invoice title. The next option will be to choose whether the invoice will be billed to the merchant or the vendor. Notice how the logo changes because for the invoice meant for the vendor, it includes the logo of the merchant. This also will depend if you have white label on. But if it's billed to the merchant, it will have the vendor name option here. You also have the option to choose whether the amount to be used for the invoice will be from your net sales, from your commission, or for your payout. A field is also dedicated for you to customize the document title. So in this demo, it's aptly named Invoices. But you can change this to however you want. So if you notice here, I changed it to purchase order. It also changed the name here. Let's just change that back. Moving on, we have the invoice address. So this is where you input your invoice address. If it's difficult, if it's different from the business address that you have, you can add that here. And then we also have the commissions part wherein you have the option to show commissions and customize your commission label. Next, under the taxes part, you have the option to always show taxes or VAT. And then you also have the option to include taxes or VAT in the subtotal, and the option to show taxes or VAT when vendor info is available. You can also customize your tax or VAT label here. Add your tax or VAT ID here. So you see this is where that goes. And customize your tax or VAT rate here. Let's say 12%. This field now is dedicated for your footer information if you want to add more details, and that will go here. And once done, you can hit the save button to save your preferences. So this is how your invoice would look like on this side. And let me show you how this can be used in the transactions. So let's exit this view. And now we're going to the orders tab. So we will click this order, and we will choose one and choose invoice. So this will download the invoice and it will look like this. So this is how you would be able to set your Invoices in Puppet Vendors. If you require any assistance, please feel free to reach out to us at support@puppetvendors.com. Have a great day!